So let's bring up Miss Beverly, all the way from, is it South Carolina?
Yeah,
How you doing? How
I
you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you. I'm enjoying the beautiful weather, sitting on the porch. Nothing like just hanging out with nature.
Wow. So you're in South Carolina, right? Little town,
John's Island.
Johns Island,
Yes.
South Carolina.
Hmm.
Beautiful place. When I heard your story, because I know you're a teacher right now, you're looking for retirement soon, next 2 years.
Yes.
But when I heard your story, to be a teacher, you got to be a caring person. First of all, you got to care about other people. So I commend you for being a teacher. And I can remember my first grade teacher, right? My first grade teacher. Like when I was a kid, my godmother raised me, so we didn't get a lot of things for school, right? For Christmas and holidays. And one day we were supposed to go to class and tell the teacher what we got, right? Just so they would know. And I had gotten so used to just not getting anything. So I went in front of the class and I was like, I didn't get anything, whatever, but I didn't feel like anything bad about it. So at the end of the class, the teacher pulled me aside and she was like, Antonio, come here. I got a gift for you. And she gave me a pen. And I didn't know, like, the rest of my life, the biggest thing that changed for me, I would be using a pen for the rest of my life. And to write deals, to change the trajectory of my future was with a pen. And I think teachers are so powerful because they're the first mentors that a kid have to see. So I really commend you for being a teacher because you're the first voices that a person those kids hear to kind of craft them their minds as they get older. So thank you for being a teacher. Let's talk about that.
Thank you very much.
You're so welcome. So I want you to share your story because I know you're going into retirement soon. Like, why are you getting into real estate? And just share your moment, like your name, where you're from, and all that.
All right. As most people know, teaching is not the highest paid profession. I do it because I love it, but at the same time, I plan my retirement years, and I had some goals of wanting to be able to travel, work with ministry, and I wanted to be in a situation where I could financially give back to ministry, still helping people, but I also would like to be able to travel. So I know I needed another plan in place in order to help me accomplish my career goals. And I believe this is going to be one way to make that happen. I've been looking at some other options and they didn't all pan out. So I'm hoping and believing that this is the right choice for me, um, to move forward to accomplish my goals.
Awesome, awesome. And I told you before, this is going to be the best decision you made in 2024 because you got 2 more years of retirement coming up. And
Yes.
the thing about it, because I know you mentioned you're doing some renovations around the place. And, the one thing about renovations, if you make the wrong move on the type of renovation, you can waste thousands of dollars like that real quick. And the good thing about this is we can help you with the renovations. A lot of the members, we can look at where you're at, like what renovations matter when you're doing a rental. You
Right.
don't necessarily have to do certain things when you do a rental versus doing it to resale. So you're gonna figure out how to do it your best way when you're doing it that way. Because I remember getting a property and I didn't quite know what direction I was gonna go with it. So I fixed it for a rental. Then I was like, wow, this area has went up tremendously. Why not just sell this right now? And then I had to go back and change it to put it back in the sales stage. It's different. It's different. So I'm excited to work with you. You have a family that's interested in real estate, and you're going to be able to share a lot with them. And I'm excited to work with you. And I love your story. And I have such a big heart for teachers because I still remember as a kid and growing up, teachers, they invested. They invested. There are still people that really care, and teachers got to have that. It's not just money with teachers; they got to have that soul and spirit. Just like a nurse. A nurse, if you're a nurse, you got a caring spirit. So that's amazing. So I'm excited to work with you. Just thank you for being a new member of what we have going on. I'm excited to work with you.
I'm excited as well. I'm looking forward to the opportunities. Yay.
Yes. Because you know we got to throw it. We got to throw it up. Hey, we got to throw it up.
Yep, I'm still learning that one.
Oh, I saw the arm movement, right? I saw the arm movement. We got to get it. We got to get it.
Okay.
Awesome. So if you could stay there, we'll probably bring you back up in a moment. Okay? You can stay there.